Welcome to PRADHAN'S Education. In today's video, we will be discussing companies that have declared dividends in September 2024. Firstly, DDevPlastiks Industries Limited has declared a dividend of 1 rupee per share. The current trading price of the company's stock is 430 rupees, with a market capitalization of 4,425 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 20th September 2024. Moving on to Maan Alloys Limited, this company has announced a dividend of 6 rupees per share. The stock is currently trading at 1,192 rupees, and the company has a market capitalization of 3,600 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is also 20th September 2024. Next, Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited has declared a dividend of 1 rupee per share. The current trading price of their stock stands at 270 rupees, with a market capitalization of 1,872 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 20th September 2024. Then we have VLS Finance Limited, which has declared a final dividend of 1.5 rupees per share and an additional special dividend of 1 rupee per share. The stock is currently trading at 311 rupees, with a market capitalization of 1,087 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 20th September 2024. Lastly, JUsin Limited has announced a dividend of 3 rupees per share. The current trading price is 775 rupees, and the market capitalization is 291 crore rupees. The ex-date for this dividend is 20th September 2024. If you want to know more about stock market and dividend investing, then you can read the books whose links are given in the description below. And also, if you want to open a Demat account, then you can open one from the link given below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.